been doing a lot of cityscapes and landscapes of LA icons, restaurants, and buildings. So I do two bodies of work. I do my abstract work, and then I do contemporary realism. I do both works simultaneously, very much influenced by the Bay Area artists that I learned from, mid-century artists who explored both contemporary and abstract forms of the landscape. Loose painterly style, usually around the same palette. I do add some accent colors in my abstract work. The abstract work tends to be bigger, bolder. The more representational work has lots of symbolism in whether it's the taco truck, the Airstream, a pool, a mid-century house, a lone palm tree. They become symbols of both the romantic qualities of California, but also the isolation and I don't know, sort of darker and dismal aspects of living here as well. That's really the context. There isn't a whole lot of more to it other than just capturing the mood of a time, possibly of a time gone by. I'm influenced a lot by Kodachrome, old vintage photos, and the mid-century modern lifestyle, especially here in LA. I love teaching at Kline, especially my Zooms now that I do right here, right in this chair. When you take my Zoom classes, they're either an hour or an hour and a half. And really what I discuss is the block-in process. It's exactly how to execute a painting from start, the middle, and end. What colors to use, how to minimally set up your palette, how to tone your canvas, and then how to execute. And then we go in on how to refine, add highlights. It's really a step-by-step process of a way to interpret an image. People get a blank canvas, they get maybe a convoluted or complicated image, and they're just not exactly sure on how to start. I'll teach you how to start. And then go through the whole process.